Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at We're at the start of the Margret Falls loop of Tappen, BC. Just a little bit past Salmon from where I'm from. We've done this before in the ice and snow, but right now, because of the hot weather, the falls are really picking up. So we'll check this out before we do the whole loop. We're getting a little closer towards the first bridge. Look at this. Cliff structure. You can see the layers in the rock. Giant cedars that have fallen due to erosion. the water being extra loud. So here we are. You're about to get a little wet. Other people enjoy it. Well, maybe let's try it again with the fish eye. A little better, a little quieter too. Alright, we're heading on our way out of here. Then I think we're going to try to push through to the beach. Take a little bit of a beach loop. Come back up and around. Do the upper loop. And then if we want to come back through the beach way, or just head straight back. We'll decide when we're ready. But yeah, a little different in here. Right at the spring summer flush. Feel the cedars all around. And of course that's going from the fresh growth to the old growth. see the occasional pine and fir. The cedars have started to take over. This big cave of rock we get surrounded by. Almost like tiger striping on it in some places. Okay, so we're in the back cedar forest. You're probably not going to be able to see that with the fish off. And we're heading towards the beach. We're doing a straight trip instead of a round loopy trip. So we'll see how that plays out. Okay, short view. That's some light. Over that one's Margret Creek. There was a nice sandy little knoll that I was going to sit down at, but someone else is just like freshly taken it. So I'll head back and get on the real trail. Let's do it to it. We've crossed over the beach and we're going to be heading up the Upper Canyon Trail. Upper Margret Falls? I don't know, something like that. Oh, people coming. Sounds like crisis averted for one little one. Had a tough time on a legitimately bad looking spot, but luckily we won't be coming down this way. Oh, but it's pretty in here. I remember how pretty it is. I applied a SPF 60. We'll see if that saves me or not. Normally I end up all lobstery. But this is what we were kind of talking about in terms of a chocolate lily. Oh, wow. Okay. So here's a whole field of them. I think I might have to get in and get a nice picture of this guy. Across the road. I hear tapping again. Strawberry blossoms. Do butterflies. No, it's full Salmon seal, hey? Why can't they just seal Salmon and be done with it? I don't know, but yeah. I would say that's arnica. Arnica is good to collect. You rub it on sore achy muscles. Oh, look at that view and those mountains in the background. All these mountains deserve my feet. Another trail up there, but I think it's just a switchback bypass. We're going to be heading this way. We're going to come back and around, and at the end of that, another switchback at the corner, I think will be the lookout. That's kind of sort of what the map shows, but it looked like the person doing the original trailblazing had GPS issues. Oh, clematis, I think. Something like that. I think you drink it in your beer, it makes it all tomatoey. I don't know, people are nuts, man. They're just nuts. Advise anybody to do that, because I get the feeling those are highly poisonous. I could be wrong. Ha, viewpoint, we made it. We've just done 4 kilometers. This little switchback continues up for another couple of little switches, but the runs get shorter, and then we'll be on a long straight stretch. Looks like I'm gonna have to replace a battery in this thing too. Next stop I get. That's the view. The forest is a little more piney on this side. Can you hear it down there? Okay, well, we've done 5 kilometers now in total. Of course, I had a couple of detours and stuff, but you get the idea. Aha! Wow. We are here, and this is all that you can do. Wacky. Yeah. Winnaker Trail, does it even mention it on this one? No, it does not. I don't want to miss a hidden waterfall. Look at this crazy granite. What's this little guy? Inchworming his way along. He's kind of a cutie. Okay, so the bridge is down there. I saw this side trail here and wondered if this wasn't what they were talking about. Well, this is different too. Looks like this is where the trail used to go. Okay. No hidden waterfall. Not for me today. Oh, a nice wet forehead again. Oh, makes me nice and cool. The dogs are jumping all over you, are they? The mutts are jumping all over, are they? Yeah. Well, you know what they say, everyone's a dog person until you find out they're not. We are past the bridge. And heading back on the downswing. 6 kilometer dinger. Still heading down. Fairways past where we were. We had to stop for an orchid break. I'll try going down there. Caution, area of steep rough sections with sharp drop-offs. Children must be closely supervised and pets kept on a leash. Serious injury and deaths could occur in this area due to adjacent creek canyon, changing water levels, fast currents, and cold water. There is no safety fence beyond this point, except there is in a couple of places. Yeah, and deaths. It's deaths plural, it's not singular. Remember that. The plurality of life, I guess. And I really thought there was another lookout on this side of the trail too. There was nothing marked anywhere, but I thought I remember a little.
Kilometers completed. Elevation 474 meters. Current speed 1.1 kilometers per hour. Average speed 3 kilometers per hour. Burned calories 711 kilocalories.
I thought there was another little side trail. Maybe there still is, but not as well kept as the main lookout on the other side. Oh! Huh. Can't see that cement bunker in there. I don't know what that's for, but it's a good sign we're near civilization. They're not liable to haul that much cement up into a place way off the trail. Looks like we found the road, so we're pretty much at the end of the trail. 7 kilometer ticked off, so we're probably less than 7.5 kilometers in total on this guy. We did some pretty good climbing, but yeah. So this last part to the parking lot is probably going to be a little uninteresting. I'll let you guys go. Catch you next time.